So the next question is that list out the difference between multiplexer and demultiplexer. In case of multiplexer, if you see, so it will be having the 2 power n number of input which will be converted into the single output. So right, it may be converted 2 power n number of inputs from the single output. So among the 2 power n number of inputs, it will convert single output, right? Now what is the meaning of demultiplexing? After multiplexing, the output of the multiplexer will be given to the input of the demultiplexer, so that it will produce again the 2 power n number of inputs. So finally your input will equal to output. Here we will be having the multiplexer operation, here we will be having the demultiplexer operation. So here what it will do is, it will convert the single input into 2 power n number of the output value based on what? Selection line. This is the first point. And second point is that, so multiplexer can be used as the parallel to serial converter. Parallel to serial converter or communication. Why parallel to serial converter means, if you observe here this 2 power n, so multiple means parallel, single means serial. So if you observe here, multiplexer is a device which is going to convert multiple information through the single channel, right? It means that it is converting the parallel to serial information. Now if you consider the demultiplexer, it is going to perform the operation serial to parallel. So what do you mean by serial to parallel means, see that here we have only single, right? So something in demultiplexer we have the single information, right? So single means we called as the serial, multiple means we called as the parallel. So it is going to perform the serial to parallel operation, right? So multiplexer we called as the data selector, right? So this is what we called as the data distributor, right? So what is the meaning of data selector and data distributor means, in case of the multiplexer, see, out of 2 power n number of inputs, we are selecting the any one as the output, right? It means that it is called as the data selector. So data distributor means, in the single line we have the multiple information, right, that we are going to distribute into the different types of the output, nothing but the data distributor. Then the block diagram of the multiplexer, we have the 2 power n number of inputs, one single output, we have the n selection line. So here also it is same, we have the n selection line, but here we have the input of the multiplexer will be output, output of the multiplexer will be input, right? So this is demultiplexer, this is multiplexer.